Hello. Hello.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening to all. Today we are going to discuss hyperbola.
Sir, ellipse over.
Over.
Sir, teach some more problems. What we did we do last class? Only problems,
This month
sir.
25th exam is there, no?
Sir, but 5 problems we did.
5 ah?
Yes, sir, we did only 5.
5 ah? Okay, okay. Okay. Find next sixth one. Find the equation of the ellipse. Find the equation of the ellipse. Ellipse. If the center is at 0, 0, major axis on the y-axis, major axis on the y-axis, and passing through the points, and passing through the points 3, 2 and 1, 6 and 1, 6. Find the equation of the ellipse if the center is at 0, 0, major axis on the y-axis, and passing through the points 3, 2 and 1, 6. Since the major axis on the y-axis, the equation of ellipse, x square by b square plus y square by a square is equal to 1. Now point 3, 2. Point 3, 2 lies on ellipse. 3, 2 substituting. 3 square 9. 9 upon b square. 9 upon b square plus 4 upon a square is equal to 1. See, this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Then again one more point is given, 1, 6. point 1 comma 6 lies on ellipse. Now 1 upon b square plus 36 upon a square is equal to 1. This is equation 3. Subtracting 3 from 2.
Sir, what's the answer?
Answer is x square upon 10 plus y square upon 40 is equal to 1.
Yes, I got
Fine,
it.
sir. Got it, sir.
Done. See, all of you do. Subtracting 2 and 3.
Sir, I had some doubts from parabolas.
Parabolas.
Yes, sir. Addition only.
Okay. Subtracting 2 from 3. 2 from 3. A square is equal to Himanshu.
Sir, a square is 40.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Can you hear me?
Hello.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yes. Tell.
Sir, a square is 40 and b square is 10.
A square is equal to 40. Then a square value substituting equation 2. Then b square is equal to 10. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Hello.
Sir, I couldn't join for some time because of network issues. Could you repeat the questions at the end?
Question.
Yes, sir.
Find the equation of the ellipse if the center is at 0, 0. Find the equation of the ellipse if the center is 0, 0. Major axis on the y-axis. Major axis on the y-axis. And passing through the points. 3, 2 and 1, 6. 3, 2 and 1, 6.
Sir, can you tell the questions prior to this at the end?
Huh? Mona Lisa?
So, yes, sir. Sir, is this the sixth question?
Sixth one. Sixth question.
Done, sir.
Okay. Next problem. Seventh one. Axis along the coordinate axis. Axis along the coordinate axis passing through.
So the final answer was x squared by 10 plus y squared by 40 equal to 1, no?
Passing through 4, 3 and -1, 4. Same model.
So, is it along x or y?
Sorry, Mona Lisa. Same type of model.
Sir, axis is along x-axis or y-axis?
X-axis.
So the axis is along the x-axis or the y-axis?
Both the axis. Axis means along x-axis and y-axis.
So, which is the major axis?
Not major.
So how do we know which one is the major axis?
Major axis along y-axis before problem.
Sir, and over here, what's the major axis?
There's no major axis. You can consider both x and y axis to be the axis.
Not major axis.
Major axis and minor axis.
So we would get two equations, is it?
Two equations.
Okay, sir.
You will get one only, I guess. If okay, yes, sir, you get two equations. Sir, if the same
equation-
quadrant, then they'll have only one equation.
The equation of ellipse x
Sir.
square by a square. Tell.
Sir, you should take the concept of a square greater than b square. And you can decide the equation, sir.
A square
Is greater than b square.
Okay.
If like 1 second, sir, I'll check the concept. 1 minute. 1 minute.
X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Then a is greater than b. then passes through the point.
Sir,
Hmm.
a square is greater than b square,
Hmm.
and that a square should lie below x square. Then it's x major, no. And
Hmm.
if x square, a square is greater than b square, if it's y major, a will lie below y. Right. Using that, we can form a condition.
I didn't get Keshav.
Sir, wait, sir, I'll tell later. There's some mic issue. 1 minute.
Okay. 16 upon a square plus 9 upon b square is equal to 1. 1, 2, then point minus 1 comma 4 lies on ellipse. 1 upon a square plus 16 upon b square is equal to 1. This is equation 2.
What's the answer?
Hmm.
Sir, I'm getting it as x square by 49.
Okay.
Y square
Hmm.
by 49 is equal to 1.
A square value
Sir, 49.
49. Ah.
So a square is 15 by 247, right?
So what is
A square value 247 upon 7.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Mistake is there, sir.
A square is equal to 247 upon 7.
Yes, sir.
So 247 upon 7 or 247 upon 15?
247 upon 7. 247 upon 7. A square. B square 247 upon 15. B square 247
Yes, sir.
upon
247 upon 50.
B square.
Sir, I took the other equation and I got a square is equal to 247 by 15. So that's also fine, right?
247.
So I got a square as 247 by 15 as I took the equation to be 16 by b square plus 9 by a square.
16 by b. Okay, 1 upon a square plus 16 by b square is equal to 1. Third equation. Second equation 16 upon a square plus 9 upon b square is equal to 1.
Correct.
Hello? Hello? Mona Lisa?
yes, sir.
Tell.
So what's the answer?
Answer. X square upon 247
So is it-
upon 7 plus y square upon 247 upon 15 is equal to 1. See, a square is equal to 247 upon 7. B square is equal to 247 upon 15. Third equation multiplying 16 both sides. Both sides multiplying 16 means here 16 by a square, 16 by a square get cancelled. Here 256. 256 upon b square is equal to 1. Then b square is equal to 247 upon 15. Himanshu,
Yes, sir.
understood? Third equation multiplying both sides.
Sir, I wrote the equations as 16 by b square plus 9 by a square is equal to 1.
16 by b square. Why?
So it can be anything, right? Because the axis isn't specified.
Okay.
So I got two equations totally. And one is what you
No, one
told.
equation only. See here, one equation.
But I mean to say I got two answers.
Two answers.
Yeah.
But answer is a square is equal to 247 upon 7. B square is equal to 247 15. All of you done?
Yes, sir, done.
Sir, what's the final equation for the
Final equation.
ellipse? Yeah.
X square upon 247 upon 7 plus y square upon 247 upon 15 is equal to 1.
Sir, it may also be x square upon 247 by 15, right?
No, it can't be.
That implies 7x square plus 15y square then is equal to 247.
Sir, could you solve it?
Huh?
Could you solve it?
Okay, Aryan.
So like I didn't get it.
See,
Why is a square only 247 by 7? It may also be 247 by 15, right? Depending on the major axis.
see it's equation 3 multiplying both sides 16. 16a square plus 250 16 16 jar 256, right? 256. 256 upon b square is equal to 16, right? Now this is equation 4. Now equation 2 from 4, subtracting equation 2 from 4. Then subtracting 16 by a square get cancelled. Then 1 upon b square into 1 upon b square into 1 upon b square get common. Then after that 256 minus 9. 256 minus 9 is equal to 15. Is equal to 15. 16 minus 1, 15. Right? Now here 256 minus 9, 247. 247 upon b square is equal to 15. That implies b square is equal to 247 upon 15. Then b square value substitute in equation 2. Equation 2 substitute b square value. Then we will get a square. A square is equal to 247 upon 7. Then a square and b square value substituting equation 1. Aryan, understood Aryan?
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Mona Lisa.
So was the answer for the previous question x squared by 10 plus y squared by 40 equal to 1?
Yes, correct.
What the
Correct,
question is
Mona Lisa.
important here. 3 in both the cases calling. So that is pre-ganglionic fiber, that is internal process, that is pre and that is post. So pre and post forming the junction in autonomous ganglion.
All of you done?
Yes, sir.
Then next, 8th problem. E is equal to 3 by 4. Foci on y-axis. Foci on y-axis. Center at origin. Center at origin.
Huh?
And passing through.
Sir, what if the origin is at any like 0.4, 3?
Which one?
Sir, what if the point is at 4, 3? Can we find the equation?
Which one?
Sir, this question, 8th question.
Yeah, wait, not complete. Passing through 6, 4.
So we're supposed to find the equation on parabola.
Equation of parabola.
Sorry, ellipse. Ellipse.
Foci on y-axis. Then equation of ellipse. X square by b square plus y square by a square is equal to 1.
This is the answer. Y square by 16 plus x square by 7 is equal to 1.
Answer?
Yeah.
Answer, tell me.
Y square by 16
Y square by 16
plus x square by 7.
X square by 7 is equal to?
1.
Is equal to 1. Is equal to 1. Wrong. These type of models important board level. A square 688 upon 7. A square value. 688 upon 7. Point
sir.
Mona Lisa.
So after getting the value of a square by b square, can we substitute
Certainly,
it?
answer
Yes, sir. Substituting.
Will we get the answer that way, sir?
A square is equal to 688 upon 7.
Okay, sir.
not 4.
688 upon
So could
7.
you solve it once?
Okay, okay. Now point
So can you
point
wait for 2
6
minutes?
comma 4. Mona Lisa.
So could you wait for 2
Under
minutes?
the control of autonomous.
Okay, okay. Point 6 comma 4 lies on ellipse 6 square, 36 upon b square plus 16 upon a square is equal to 1. This is equation 2. Then, and also is given E is equal to C by A. E is equal to C by A. That implies C is equal to AE is equal to A into 3 by 4 is given. Since E is equal to 3 by 4. Now here C square is equal to A square minus B square, right? C square is equal to A square minus B square. Now here 3A upon 4 whole square is equal to A square minus B square. A square minus B square. Now B square is equal to A square minus 3A upon 4 whole square. A square minus 3A upon 4 whole square. Then or else here right 9A square, right? Directly right. 9A square upon 16. Then take LCM. 16A square minus 9A square upon 16. Now B square is equal to 16A square minus 9A square. 7 upon 16A square. 7 upon 16A square. This is equation 3. Now putting B square value, substituting equation 2.
Done, sir.
B square value substituting equation 2. B square value substitute in equation 2. Then 36 upon 7 upon 16 A square plus 1 upon 16 upon A square is equal to 1. Then A square find.
So a square is 592, which is
A square is
16
equal
into
to
37.
688 upon 7. A square is equal to 688 upon 7. B square is equal to
So is b square 508 by 7?
B square is equal to 688 upon 16. 688 upon
Sir,
16.
43.
43, yeah.
Yes, sir, it is 43.
See, 7 get cancelled and then
Yes, sir,
remaining
688.
688 upon 16.
Yes, sir.
Correct, no?
Yes, sir.
Then substituting equation 1.
Sir, this value is 43, sir.
Oh, 43. Okay, okay. Okay. Understood, Imanshu?
Yes, sir.
function.
Mona Lisa?
I use a square is equal to 1 minus a square by b square. Is that fine? I use that
In normal
directly.
condition,
A square is equal to?
E square is equal to 1 minus a square by b square.
E square is equal to 1 minus b square upon a square, right?
A square upon b square, sir.
Okay.
Is that fine?
the body
Eccentricity. B square upon a square. B
So
square
here it's
upon
along
a
y-axis, right?
square.
Here it's along y-axis, right?
Y-axis. Correct, correct. A square upon b square.
Can we directly use that relation, sir?
Hmm. Okay, done. All of you done.
Yes, sir.
Done.
Yeah.
Okay. Ninth one. Foci plus or minus 3 comma 0 plus or minus 3 comma 0 and passing through 4 comma 1, passing through 4 comma 1. Foci of the ellipse lies on x-axis, right?
Yes, sir.
Then the equation of ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. First point substituting. Foci lies on x-axis, so the equation of ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Now point 4 comma 1 lies on ellipse. Now 16 upon a square plus 1 upon b square is equal to 1. This is equation 2.
Sir?
Ah,
Sir, is there a, like, sir, now we have point 4 comma 1, right?
4 comma 1.
Yes, sir. So can we calculate the distance between plus 3 comma 0 to 4 comma 1, and we can add those distances, then we can say it is equal to 2a.
Okay.
So that time we get value of a.
Hmm.
So that time if we substitute x is equal to 4, y is equal to 1, and a is equal to the value which we found, we can b square.
Okay.
We can get the answer, no, sir.
Yes, correct. Then we have to take c square. That is one method. C square is equal to a square minus b square. 1 by b square is equal to 1 minus 16 upon a square is equal to a square minus 16 upon a square. 1 upon b square is equal to. Then c square is equal to a square minus b square. Now c is equal to 3. C is equal to 3. Now substituting here, 9 is equal to a square minus a square upon a square minus 16. See here reciprocal. B square, 1 upon b square is equal to a square minus 16 upon a square. Then b square is equal to, that implies b square is equal to a square upon a square minus 16. Then here substituting b square. A square upon a square minus 16. Then 9 into a square minus 16 is equal to a square into a square minus 16 minus a square. A square minus 16 minus a square. Then a square find. Nine a square minus 144 9a square minus 144 is equal to a power 4 minus 16a square minus a square. Now here a power 4 minus 16 minus 17a square, here 9a square, 26a square plus 144 is equal to 0. Then here a square is equal to t take. Now here t square minus 2060 plus 144 is equal to 0. Then factors is 144, middle term is 26. 18 8 1 jar 8 8 8 6 144. Yes, correct. 18 8 jar t minus 18 and t plus 18, right? T plus 8 t plus 8 t minus 8 minus 8 minus only, minus is equal to 0. T is equal to 18 and t is equal to 8. Then a square value.
So now we'll have to take two cases, no?
A square is equal to 18 and a square is equal to 8. Then here c square a square minus c square b square is equal to a square minus c square. Now here 8 minus 9. 8 minus 9 minus 1. B square is equal to minus 1. Negative.
False.
Negative means reject. Reject. Then a square is equal to 18 is the correct. A square is equal to 18. Then b square is equal to
9.
9. B square is equal to 9. B square is equal to 9. Then substituting the equation 1, a square and b square values. See, all of you understood?
So, excuse me, sir.
Mona Lisa?
Sir, could you please repeat the starting part of question? I didn't get the question properly.
Which one?
The starting part, sir.
Starting. Equation of
Yes,
ellipse.
sir.
See, foci is lies on x-axis, right?
Yes, sir.
Now equation of ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Then point is given 4, 1 lies on ellipse. Now point substituting 16 by a square plus 1 upon b square is equal to 1, equation 2. Then here 16 by a square send aside, 1 upon b square is equal to 1 minus 16 by a square. Now a square minus 16 upon a square, then b square is equal to reciprocal, a square upon a square minus 16. Then c square is equal to a square minus b square. Since c square is equal to a square minus b square, c is given already, 3 is given, 3c. C is equal to 3. Now substituting here, 3 square 9. 9 minus a square minus b square. B square substituting here. Then we will get a square value. A square is equal to 18.
Thank you, sir.
So, after we get the value 18 and 8, then like b square equal to a square minus c square. So,
that is
the
minus
c
1, no?
Oh, yeah. Got it.
8 minus 9, minus 1, negative.
So one more thing, why don't we consider 18?
A square is equal to 18 is the consider.
So are you excluding a square equal to 18 or are you considering two cases now?
No, only one case consider. A square is equal to 18. X-axis is A is greater than B.
So, but then didn't you do 8 minus 9? So you've taken a square as 8, no? While solving.
Just I am solving here. Don't take
So,
8. A square is equal to 18 is the right.
So then why you took 8 over there?
But condition is given x-axis x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Then a is greater than b, right?
Yeah.
A is positive.
Okay. Oh, so you
here
are,
negative, no?
yeah, so got it. You are just showing that
Yes.
it is negative value, so we cannot take it.
Yes. Negative value is rejected.
Sir, I also had a doubt related to ellipse from R.D. Sharma.
Ellipse,
Yes, sir.
Okay. Last 5 minutes ask.
Okay, sir.
Himanshu. All of you done? Next problem, 10th one. An arch is in the form of a semi-ellipse. It is 8 meters wide and 2 meters height. At the center, find the height of the arch, at a point 1.5 meter from one end.
So,
Hello.
so is it approximately around 1.5?
1 point.
On outer
Five.
side, it is inner side.
Answer.
Yes, sir.
Bachelor
Yes, correct.
So what is root 9.75?
Root
9.75.
root 9.75.
It is purely irrational.
Irrational, huh?
Irrational.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, all of you done.
Sir, answer is square root 39 by 4.
Square root 39 by.
Meters. 4 meters.
Yes, correct.
So can we say it's approximately 1.55?
1.56.
Okay, so like will it be fine telling 1.55 because it's approximate?
Approximately 1.56 m.
Yes, sir. Will it be fine telling
organ
1.55?
of
I didn't get Mona Lisa. 1 point.
So answer is 1.56, right? Cause it's in a root and it is irrational. Like I got something like 1.55. Is that fine?
Yes, fine.
Sir, I got 1.66.
1.66.
Yeah.
Square root of 39 upon 4. That is the answer.
Sir, what's the answer?
Square root of 39 upon 4 m. Square root
So I
of
got square root of 9.75 upon 4.
9.7. 9.75 9.75 upon 4. 9.75 approximately 2 point something, right?
So 3 point something. I got 3.1.
You can
Okay.
consider 9.75 as square root of 9.75 as
In that case, we'll be getting 1.55.
1.55.
1.56 won't come. So is that fine?
Okay. 1.56, 1.55 is correct.
So I got it as
Okay.
1.6. Is that correct?
1.6.
Yeah.
why can't we just leave it as root 39 by 4?
Just right. Root 39
Because
upon
I got
4, right?
21.75 by 16 under root.
Sir,
And
can you do
basically-
it and show once?
Ananya.
Yes, sir.
Semi ellipse. Total width. And this distance is 2 meters. Suppose this point is C and this point is A and this point is B. and this point is width is 1.5 m. X, y, x dash, y dash. Now equation of ellipse. Equation of ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Semi ellipse. Major axis along x-axis. Major axis along x-axis 2a, right? 2a is equal to 8 is given. Then a is equal to 4. Then a is equal to 4. Understood, Ananya?
Yes, sir.
Major axis along x-axis 2a.
Yeah, this
2a
and all
is
even
equal
I
to
got.
a
After that, how do we proceed?
is equal to 4 and b is equal to
1.
1 or 2.
Oh yeah, 2, 2, 2. B is equal to 2.
Then equation substituting here. Equation of semi ellipse x square by 16 plus y square by 4 is equal to 1. This is equation 1. Then let a be the point on the major axis. Point on the major axis. Let a be the point on the major axis. AB is equal to 1.5. AB is equal to 1.5 and AC is perpendicular to OB. This is O, center O. AC is perpendicular to OB. Then OA is equal to total is 8. Here 4. 4 minus 1.5. 1.5 is equal to 1.5, 2.5. 2.5 m. OA is equal to 2.5. The x coordinate of point C is 2.5 m. Then x value substituting 2.5. Here substituting 2.5 whole square upon 16 plus y square upon 4 is equal to 1.
Sir, just a second. I got disconnected.
Okay.
What did you do after AC perpendicular to OB?
OB, then OA is equal to 4 minus 1.5.
So can you
Okay.
shift the camera a little bit to the right side?
Okay.
Okay, that's it. So 2.5 will be the final.
2.5 substituting in place of x. Here substituting. Then y square is equal to y is equal to 1.556. Done, Ananya?
Yes, sir. What is the final answer?
Answer 1.56 or 1.56 m approximately. Then next problem. A rod of length 12 meters. A rod of length 12 meters moves with its ends moves with its ends always touching the coordinate axis determine the equation of the locus of the point P on the rod which is rod which is 3 centimeters from the 3 centimeters from the end in contact with the x-axis
Sir, is that supposed to be 12 centimeters or meters?
Which one?
Length of the rod.
Length of the 12 centimeters. Oh, 12 centimeters. 12 centimeters. All of you do.
So,
Mona Lisa.
how could you give some clue how to do it?
Tell me, Mona Lisa.
So, could you give some clue how to do it? And which is it related to conic sections?
Conic section only.
Okay, so which conic section is it related to, sir?
Is it related to circles?
But the point is not fixed, right?
Not circle, ellipse only. Ellipse.
Sir, how ellipse?
Sir, we are not sure that it's an ellipse, right?
See, equation of the locus of the point P is the rod, no? Find.
Yes, sir.
Then x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Then a square, b square find.
Why and how?
So,
Yes,
how
sir.
is it ellipse? I didn't get it.
Sir, we don't know whether it's an ellipse or a circle or a hyperbola, right?
Okay.
Sir, we need to use locus rules.
See, draw a diagram. This hypotenuse side, hypotenuse. Suppose this point, let us say P, Px comma y. Perpendicular distance from x-axis point is r. This angle is theta. Okay. Then this point is q, and this angle is theta. Then find triangle P this point is A, suppose A, B. AP is equal to AP 3 centimeters. Then PB, find PB. PB is equal to,
So, what's the answer?
answer is x square upon 81 plus y square upon 9 is equal to 1.
Okay, sir.
Done? Mona Lisa?
Yes, sir.
Wow. PB is equal to AB minus AP. Total length is 12. 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. PB is equal to.
So, how do you know it is? Okay. Nothing.
AB length is given, no, 12 centimeters.
Yeah.
12 minus 3 is equal to 9. PB is equal to 9. Then PQ is perpendicular to OY.
No, how can you say that it's forming an ellipse?
Sir,
Yeah.
so we need to use locus, sir. We need to find.
So, it doesn't form ellipse, right? By the final
Locus of the
answer,
point form an ellipse.
Sir, how?
Find A and B.
Sir, Sir, could you please justify why is it a ellipse? Why is it an ellipse?
Sir, or is it ellipse only by the final answer, or is there any other way to justify it?
Any other way?
Like, it's only by the final answer that we can tell it's ellipse, sir.
Final answer is ellipse only, not circle, not parabola.
Yes, sir, but initially we can't get it. Like, is it only after solving it by the locus method that we get its ellipse?
Then we will get ellipse, no?
Yes, sir, but it is not necessary for it to be ellipse in the beginning, right? We are finding the answer by applying locus.
See, in this problem, by using method of by using right angle triangle or else identity, by using sin theta and cos theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, identity. Or else opposite square, hypotenuse square is equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. Then we will get ellipse only, right? Not circle.
So, which are the two fixed points?
Tell me, Mona Lisa.
So, in ellipse, the distance from two fixed points is constant, right? Like the sum of distances. So, which are the two fixed points here?
Fixed point is p x comma y. Locus of the point p x comma y.
P is not a fixed point, right? In the coordinate.
Which one?
P is not fixed point in the plane, no, sir.
Let us take p x comma y, point p, fixed point here.
Yes, sir, it's fixed on the rod, but not in the plane, right?
But we have to find rod, no? Equation of the locus of the point on the rod. Then here find triangle PBQ. Triangle PBQ, find triangle PBQ. Cos theta is equal to PQ by PB. X by 9.
Yes, sir, we need to use this method only.
This method only.
Yes, sir. Then no other method.
Then
will
next PRA, right? Triangle PRA. That implies sin theta. Sin theta is equal to PR by PA is equal to y by 3. Y by 3. Since sin square
Yeah.
identity.
After PB equal to 9, then what did you do?
PB
Equal to 9.
9. After the triangle PBQ. From triangle PBQ. Cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. PQ by PB. Then triangle PRA. Then sin theta is equal to PR by PA. Y by 3. Then since identity.
So PQ became X. How?
PQ.
Oh, okay, got it.
Cos square theta is equal to 1. Then here substituting here. X by 9 whole square plus y by 3 whole square is equal to 1. Then x square upon 81 plus y square upon 9 is equal to 1. Therefore, equation of the ellipse x square by 81 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. Understood, Nagabhushan?
Yes, sir.
Himanshu?
Yes, sir.
Ananya?
Yes, sir.
Very, very important problem.
Sir, so the coordinates will be 3 sin theta comma 9.
Hmm. Then next class I will start tomorrow. Tomorrow, Saturday. Yes, class is there. 5:30 to 7. Tomorrow,
Yes, sir.
5:30 to 7. Hyperbola. I will start hyperbola.
Sir,
Sir,
could you
can we
please keep
leave?
the class in the morning?
Morning.
Yeah.
Tomorrow morning.
Sir, we have school.
After 11. Is it fine after 11, sir?
After 11.
We have school.
Sir,
so
anytime
by then we'll
before
get over.
3.
Sir, but in the morning we have other classes also.
Some students are classes will be there. Himanshu.
Sir, or can you keep it after 7, from 7?
7. 7 not possible. 5:30 to 7. Saturday.
Sir, then I cannot attend it.
Okay.
So, or can you shift it to 6:30 if possible?
So morning hours are not possible.
Morning. I will take possible. Morning I will take, but students is not coming, no?
So then you can swap with physics, no? Like physics is from 7 to 8:30. You can take from 7 to 8:30. Physics we can do from 5:30 to 7 maybe.
Okay, then I will discuss. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank
Sir, I
you.
had some doubts.
Okay. How many
Sir,
doubts, Himanshu?
So 2 doubts only.
Or send me in WhatsApp question numbers.
So,
Okay, sir.
excuse me, sir.
Mona Lisa.
So, could you please tell the first 5 questions of today's class? I joined late because of network issues.
Today
Yes, sir.
no topic. Only problems I will explain.
Yes, sir. I joined when you did the 6th question.
Sixth
could
question.
You,
Okay. Sixth
so,
question.
can you tell the questions before the 6th question?
First question only 6th.
Okay, sir.
Already last class 5 problems completed.
Okay, sir. I thought. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Last class 5 problems completed. After that first problem. 6th one.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Thank you,
Thank you,
Nagbhushan.
sir.